Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can make a factory data reset with the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. For that you need to turn off your phone first, and if it's completely off we need to connect it with a computer. And it's not enough to connect the phone with the USB cable just with the power adapter. No, you need to connect it with a computer, and of course the computer has to be turned on. Then we will need the buttons, the power button and the volume up button. Press these both buttons, or long press these both buttons until you see the Samsung Galaxy logo. Leave your fingers, then it needs a few seconds, and then we are here now in this Android recovery menu. Now I can remove the cable, and yeah, the touchscreen doesn't work here. But you can navigate here with the buttons. So with the volume down button you go down, and with the volume up button you go up. If you want to confirm something, use the power button. Okay, we need now here the first point to wipe data factory reset. So just go down to the first point, wipe data factory reset. Now confirm it with the power button. So now the phone is asking if you're really sure. Yes, we are. Go down one step to factory data reset. Confirm now with the power button. And then it takes a few seconds and the phone have deleted all your data. Pretty fast, no? The next step is going a bit longer because now we have to restart the system, no? To reboot the system, it's already here marked blue. So just tap on the power button to confirm it. And this is taking now maybe 1 or at maximum 2 minutes. So now it's starting again the phone, and then it's like brand new. Then you have to set up the language, the region, and so on and so on. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question, and that the phone works pretty well after. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That will be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.